Good future millionaires, we back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become more informed investors. Man, welcome to the hottest channel in the game when it comes to Shiba Inu technical analysis or meme coin technical analysis in general. Nobody else is doing it like this in the YouTube space, man. First thing I like to ask y'all, if y'all appreciate these videos, to smash the thumbs up like button, and please drop those diamonds or gem emojis in the comment section, and also just let me know that y'all are appreciating this so I can come harder and harder each time with these videos. So salute to y'all that's rocking with me. Shout out to all the new subscribers. We have over 7,000 new subscribers to the channel. Salute to y'all. We just did over 17,000 subscribers. I just told y'all this was about to happen. I just called it. I told y'all we are about to blow past 25,000 subscribers. Connect the dots. I'm doing a lot of plays in the background. I'm putting a lot of things in place. My crypto concert / seminar in December is coming here to Las Vegas. Make sure y'all tap in and stay tuned so y'all can get more information on that. Now, first things first, we got some Shiba Inu technical analysis. We got some updates to do. We just gotta talk about what's going on today. Congratulations to everybody that's been watching the channel, following along with the videos. Y'all seen my technical analysis from early this morning. I jumped on at 3 a.m. to give y'all a early morning update of what y'all can expect, so y'all can feel confident and nobody panic, and y'all can just have some insight to where we're headed. And as y'all see, we were 100% accurate with that analysis as well. So come follow our private investment community, private stock market game. We got over 5,000 active investors in here. Make sure you grab the book in the link in the description section from Amazon to get access into this group ASAP. So also follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Make sure you come follow me ASAP. Y'all help me get past 4,000 followers. Y'all help me. We are very, very close. If you haven't yet, come join the family. Also, come follow me on Instagram. A lot of y'all don't know I have Instagram. Go over there, follow me. I will be doing exclusive Instagram lives where I'm dropping gems just like this that you can find inside my course only. So make sure y'all go follow me over there, and I'll be doing exclusive giveaways on Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. So let's check out where we are for the day. I had to do a quick promo drop real quick because I'm putting a lot into these videos. I got almost 400 free videos for y'all that are all free 99. You know what I'm saying? So I take a little moment to represent. But we are up 31% on the day. We are holding this 27 level exactly. Go back and watch my last video. Just go back and watch my last video. I'm calling this out for y'all. Now, quickly, I told y'all, I gave y'all some technical analysis yesterday on, what to start identifying as soon as you pull up to the chart. What should you start identifying ASAP as soon as you pull up to the chart? What did I tell y'all yesterday in that video? I'm going to give y'all a moment to drop it in the comment section. Now, because this is like a crypto class, I thought long and hard on this, and I decided what I'm going to try to do is drop between 5 to 10 questions each video. And the people that answer those questions, each of those questions correctly, I'm going to start, keeping track of that, paying attention. And those of you that pass this class, basically this test in the comment section, y'all will be getting access to exclusive, perks. So stay tuned. More of that coming, but get ready now. You know what I'm saying? So, I taught y'all how to read the impulse correction right here. We found support. We got resistance around here. We also got some consolidation going in here. But I called this 27 level, and I want to let y'all know how I was able to do this. So here we are forming what's called a bull flag. We were forming this yesterday. So what I seen potentially happening was us having a breakout to the upside. So that's just in short. I go more into the bull flag explanations in the course, also bullish pendants. I taught y'all in one of my previous videos how to break down a bullish pendant. If you haven't seen that, go back. You have to watch at least my last 15 videos. My last 15 videos are you basically spending over $5,000 basically of just paying attention just for free 99 of learning this information. And I'll say it's valued well over $5,000 just by you watching those last 15 videos. So do yourself a favor, save some money, level up, man. You got to learn how to swim before you jump in this water. You don't want to just be playing around losing your money until you figure out what you're doing, $50,000 in a hole or, even further. So we had that, breakout right here to the upside. Now I expect, honestly, us to make it back in this, to go up to this 4 range. I expect new all-time highs to be on the way. Now, the reason why, what we're doing is we were forming a bullish flag here. So let's get some trend lines out. Remember, nobody else is dropping it like this for y'all on YouTube. I try to tell y'all, man, I see a lot of backlash from me trying to put y'all on the best times to buy and sell. A lot of people do not appreciate the fact that I'm teaching y'all how to sell as well, which I'm not trying to tell you to sell. This is not financial advice, but I'm trying to really let you understand the analysis or the data that the chart is giving you, so that way you can in turn determine the best spot to take profit if you were going to do that. Now let's say you seen this impulse right here on this correction. If you were able to read, shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel, man, appreciate y'all. But if you were able to read this candle and understand what was happening, you were able to determine that this was likely to reverse. If you've been using those indicators, the Bollinger Bands, using those things that I've been showing y'all, you know, you got to put all this together. I'm trying to unlock level by level for y'all and not overwhelm y'all too much. And I'm also trying to make complicated you know, ideas more simple, just, you know, so that way we can understand it. But we had a trend line here going in a downtrend. We had some bullish trend right here. You see, we broke the trend here. We had this trend touched here, and it kept going. It moved off of this trend line. But what happened once it started to become too bullish, you know, it came down and tested it and failed, broke through. So what do we have now? We had a trend line here. But what happened? We violated the trend line to move out. So if y'all were watching my video yesterday, this is exactly where we were yesterday. We had this doji candle forming and we had a hammer candle forming. Now, question number 2, what did I tell y'all a doji candle represents at the end of a downtrend? Drop that in the comment section if you've been paying attention. Y'all gonna learn something over here, man. I'm telling you, nobody else is bringing it like this. Nobody at all in the entire YouTube space. I don't care who you try to align. Now, this is no diss to nobody. Please do not take this the wrong way, because I rock with a lot of people out here. A lot of people, especially in the Shiba Inu lane, they going crazy. I follow a lot of them. Y'all can see I'm subscribed to them, so salute to all y'all that's doing your thing. But I'm just saying, right over here we have something very unique that you cannot learn anywhere else right now in this space, because the people that know this, they trade things that are considered more serious, like the NASDAQ, US 30, stocks, options, futures, commodities, and things like that. They consider meme coins a waste of time. So you won't be able to find this level of Fortune 500 insight in this space. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. I should be well over 50,000 subscribers with the level of information that I'm bringing here, but I'm gonna keep giving it to y'all for free. Hopefully y'all drop in the comment section and let me know that y'all appreciate me, man. That's all I'm asking. It's free 99. Just let me know if y'all appreciate this. So we found some support here. Now y'all should have dropped that in the comment section. A doji candle signifies in a downtrend that a reversal is likely to happen. Now, I told y'all that this is not 100% accurate, the end all be all of what's guaranteed, but this is just helping those that can read this determine or interpret what this data is telling us. We had a extremely bearish momentum to the downside, but what happened? We had a doji candle form which showed that selling pressure was easing up. Buyers were meeting them here at this price. Then what do we have? The candle closed. Remember I taught y'all about green candles, bull candles. They open at the bottom, close at the top. So we had it move over right from this doji candle right at the open of this green bullish candle. Push all the way up. We had some push in both directions, but it ended up closing here. Notice where it closed at. We moved right over to the right is the open of the next candle, and I called it right here. Please, please, please go back to my last video. I told y'all this candle signifies a hammer candle. It signifies that we have hammered out a bottom price. I told y'all also, I said with the doji candle, we like to wait for confirmation. We don't just react and automatically say the trend is going to reverse here, because it could fake us out. It could be a false breakout. So what we're waiting for is confirmation to let us know that, you know, we're better off, or we're more likely to continue with what the chart is telling us. So with the hammer candle confirming the doji candle at the bottom of a downtrend, breaking outside of our bearish trend line, forming a bull flag, tells us that we have most likely a breakout about to happen. Now, I just dropped a lot on y'all right there. You got to connect the dots right there and run this back. Rewind this part of the video and really try to listen to this 2 or 3 times until you really comprehend what I just said, because I really just dropped it on y'all in a way that, you know, a Fortune 500 marketer will be looking at this. So, you know, break it down just like that. You know, remember that things can change, and I try to tell y'all too that this is not, you know, 100%. A major piece of news or a catalyst can come in and basically shift this whole chart up and basically make this analysis inaccurate. So you have to understand, please, please, please drop in the comment section and tell me if a major news catalyst comes out, what can happen to the chart? Will it change or will it stay the same? So just let me know. Just, you know, put, I'm answering your question. The chart will change or it will stay the same. But you put, I am answering your question, so I can know what you mean right there. But and I am paying attention to this for y'all that, you know, it'll be at the end of this, you know, when I see some of y'all really getting to that level, I will be giving out certificates to those that are actually passing my analysis Trust me, we finna do it on a level that nobody else is doing it over here. You do not want to miss out. Hit that subscribe button. Share this video with people that you care about so they can in turn learn this information as well. So now, what are we seeing right here? We're seeing some resistance. What did I tell y'all to identify? When we start seeing resistance like this, you notice we have impulse, bullish movement. Then what happened? We get this red doji candle trying to form. This candle right here at the top of a uptrend is called a hanging man candle. Now I'm trying to teach all these different candle types and things like that so y'all can understand what this means. A hanging man at the top of an uptrend signifies the same thing like a hammer candle at the bottom of a downtrend. So this is telling us that a trend is likely to reverse. Now how can we see is that's what the chart is telling us? By looking at the previous candle. The previous candle is saying doji candle. Remember that? Doji candle at the top of an uptrend signifies a trend reversal is likely to come. Doji candle at the bottom of a downtrend signifies that a trend is likely to reverse. So really, y'all, I'm trying to really drop some fire on y'all. I would really appreciate y'all to flood the comment section, with letting me know something unique that you appreciate about this video. What was something unique that you learned about it? You got to really give me some insight. Give me some statistics to go off of so I can know what's helping, so I can know what to bring more of. And I really it encourages me not to keep this information to myself, even though I want to share it. But this is really some next level stuff, and if it's not appreciated, then I'll just hold on to it. And like I told y'all, I'll just download a software, get one of those robot artificially intelligent voices, and I could just repeat news that we see regurgitated all over right now. And I'm just messing with y'all, but rock with me. Let me know that y'all really feeling this information. A lot of bot channels are out here right now covering Shiba Inu. Nobody else is doing this. So salute to the few true Shiba Inu content creators that are doing thing, man. Shout out to Your Pop, shout out to Jay Gagan, shout out to a lot of y'all, Austin Hill, shout out to I rock with them, what I'm saying? So salute to all them that's doing their thing. Also I think his name Adam Shelton or something like that, man. I salute to him too. Everybody that's covering Shiba, even if I haven't shouted them out, I rock with everybody. But I just honestly feel, I'm coming with, something unique to the market. And I feel others, as well do that on their channel. But this is the channel for technical analysis. I am the best technical analysis in the game, man. And I don't mean to just, hold y'all here. If y'all go back and watch my other videos, you will see that I'm telling y'all the truth. So now what else can we identify here? We see this is really too much for a YouTube video. I really should be saving some of this for the course, but it's still a lot more to it than this. And you also want to know that depending on who you learn from, they will have different methodologies or just different ideas of how these should be formed. Because remember, I told y'all some people will call the long line coming out of the candle wicks, and some people will argue that they're called shadows, and that's not important. You just want to know what it means. You just want to be able to interpret the data. So don't get caught up on oh, he didn't tell you to this is the perfect name for it. That ain't this is support, this is resistance, this is going down, this is going up. I just want y'all to be able to identify what's happening so y'all can become more informed investors. Yes, if you would like a more professional breakdown of this, I highly encourage you to get my course. I literally have less than 10% of the seats left in there. Right now you can get that 50% off. I gave literally 50 people the opportunity to get in here. Right now we have less than 10% of those seats left. So if you are 100% serious right now, ready to go, then email me DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. My email is in the description. And I also have to say, please watch out for all the fake scammers that are using my profile picture in the comment section. I would not tell you to message me on WhatsApp. I would not do any of that. If it's not official social media page that is in my description section, it is not me. Even if it's the name, they change their name, it says admin, and they use my picture, they'll say pinned by DecemberDeMarco. Any of that is not me, y'all. Please do not fall for any of these scams, y'all. They're looking for people who are attempting to be greedy and want to try to do something, and they'll try to take your tokens. Do not fall for any of those scams. That's the warning, y'all. So now also what I want y'all to pay attention, shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. But also what we got right now is we're losing volume. So wait, let's run back to last night. Go watch my video after this. I said, what did I tell y'all? I said the volume was tapering off right here. I told y'all we were losing volume, so hopefully we had this green candle right here. I said we needed more volume to come in so we can break through these levels. What happened? More volume came in. We broke through these levels. Now we start to hold a support around this range. Why? Because if we go back, our previous resistance areas can become new supports. Now y'all know we've been doing our Fibonacci retracements. We can throw that up as well. I don't want to overwhelm y'all, but this is stuff we've been learning in the videos. If you're new to the channel, please go back, watch the other videos so you can get caught up to speed. Y'all notice we fell right along that 50% zone. I told y'all on the fib So all these things that I'm stacking on top of each other told me that we were going to go the other way. That's what I want to get y'all to see. We stacking them on top of each other. Now, there's also indicators as well that I would use in conjunction with this to help me, make a better informed decision. But this, I feel like we really leveled it up on this video right here. I gave y'all a lot. Let me know, please let me know if you appreciate this. This is what's keeping me going on this, y'all. This is literally stuff that I have in my course. Yes, my course is another level, but this is still high level stuff. Even just learning this will take you light years ahead of everybody else who's just jumping into meme coins because they heard about it, which most of us, that's how we just, we learn about it and we get in. But this is the only place, basically StockGoat University, the only place you can find where you can get this level of technical analysis where it's broken down in a simple format, easy for us to understand. I'm not trying to make it, I'm taking something that sounds like a foreign language and I'm making it very, very, easy to digest. So salute to everybody that's rocking with me. We got a few other things to cover as well. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make this one short because I'm just to test it out. Y'all told me some of y'all working, so I want to give them to y'all in smaller pieces possibly, just so y'all can stay tuned with what's going on. But we got some fundamental analysis coming up right after this video, some really, really major stuff. But what I want y'all to check out real quick is this project. This is called Poseidon. So I was asked to check this out, man. So I decided, we'll do this quickly on the live stream. Now, remember, none of this is financial advice. You have to always do your own due diligence. So I'm going to let y'all know, what I like, what I think about this project, what I don't like. So y'all know, if y'all familiar with my format, I come straight in, I look at everything that we see. And, I identify from a Fortune 500 marketer standpoint, what should we be seeing on this page? Right away, I don't see a team section. I would love to see a team section. That's something that, we know we can hold these projects accountable, for. But if y'all want to come check out the website, it is PoseidonDeFi.online. So PoseidonDeFi.online. Come check that out. So Poseidon, a DeFi community-driven token set to take over the DeFi space by creating a user-friendly portfolio tracker on multiple chains, both Ethereum and BSC. Okay, let's break that down again. So a DeFi community-driven token set to take over the DeFi space by creating a user-friendly portfolio tracker on multiple chains, both Ethereum and BSC. That sounds like they got something there, man. Let's get a little bit more into it. So we got the About section, tokenomics, roadmap, white paper. So immediately, we don't see any social media badges. We should see some social media badges at the top. So if y'all are a part of this community, reach out to the team, let them know that they should take this information into account and, just to make the project, overall better. So we should see the size of the community by seeing, Twitter, Facebook, maybe Reddit, Instagram, Medium, Telegram, all the different places that, so we can determine the size of the community just by eyeballing it. So, let's see the logo. Okay, like a Poseidon face. The website looks clean. I like, it's interactive a little bit. So tokenomics. So liquidity. 5% of the tax is applied to grow the liquidity pool. This helps stabilize the token price over time. So reward for long-term holding. Another 5% tax applied to every transaction. This rewards holders in Poseidon for every transaction and stops swing traders from constant buying and selling. So burn. Reflections applied to the 50% burn wallet. Burning Poseidon with each transaction helps raise the floor price. Okay, I like to see some of that. So marketing, 2% goes towards the marketing wallet, which is instantly converted to BNB to avoid selling pressure. So that's something that I always tell y'all in my reviews. I like to see a token have a marketing wallet because a lot of these projects come out and even though they're community driven, which means the community has to literally put that project on its back and carry it into success. I like to see a little bit, a fuel from, the project itself being able to help bring awareness to it. So that's good to see. So total supply, 1 trillion. So, it's a little up there. So tokens burn, so they automatically, so they burn 500 billion immediately. So half of that supply is gone. So, it's not, really, it's actually not as bad as I think about now. I see they burned half the supply. So really, I don't like to see, the ones that go all the way up to like, past 100 quadrillion and stuff like that. So 1 trillion is really not too bad actually. But roadmap, launch Poseidon in community fair launch, feature on cryptocurrency listing, websites, partnerships with influencers and promoters, launch Poseidon portfolio. So this is Q1. So this is what I like to see. I really like to see this. So in the roadmap section, y'all know I always do, I say I like to see 3 things: specific, measurable, and realistic. That's how we can determine how far is this project, how far is the team looking in the future with this project. Do they have realistic goals, something that really seems, that it can be completed? And is it measurable? Can we actually measure this, and So far this says Q1, Q2, Q3, so I'm a little confused because we're in Q4 right now. So I want to see what's up because we don't have a Q4 on the map. So let's read this and see. So Q2, listing Poseidon on exchanges, more influencer and promotion work, working with charities, start preparations for Poseidon exchange. I like that they're coming with that exchange. This is going to be a big thing in the future, having your own exchange and being able to you know, be a medium for other projects as well. That's very big. So launching Poseidon exchange Q3. So I'm a little confused with this right now. So the Poseidon exchange, I don't think this project is actually launched yet. The pre-sale is coming soon. So I think the team should definitely update this part, you know, and make this more understandable where we can, you know, follow along with the progress. So they do have the Twitter page and the Telegram here, which I pulled up, but that should be definitely at the top half of the page. Also, so we got the tokenomics, roadmap. Yeah, I would like to see something with the team, you know, even if it was just, you know, an avatar picture, you know, or something that, you know, we can see the team where we can, you know, reach out to them on social media, maybe just something. So, okay, we got the white paper here, 2 pages, short and sweet. So let's see what they got. So, okay, so Poseidon white paper. Poseidon was created to help newcomers in the crypto space use a user-friendly portfolio for tracking crypto assets on the ETH or BSC chain. That's very interesting. I wish they would explain this a little bit more. So that should be, you know, broken down a little bit more. So tokenomics, Poseidon has integrated, or, you know, as far as what all do y'all plan to do with this, because, you know, this could be really big. So tokenomics, Poseidon has integrated simple tokenomics to help grow the token. Every transaction made with Poseidon, 5% is distributed to holders for passive rewards. On holders, depending on how many tokens they are holding, 5% goes towards the liquidity pool to make sure big sales don't affect the price as much in creating a more stable token. So this should be increased. They should make this bigger so it's easier to read when people come here. And y'all got to remember, you know, when channels like this cover y'all project, this could potentially bring, you know, you know, my video last night just did 20,000 views in a few hours. A lot of people could end up seeing this project. So y'all want to have all these things, you know, ironed out when people come check this project out. So that way it's easier for them to read. It's easier for them to see the community, you know, and I'm just trying to help this project out, you know. So if any of y'all that are watching this, you know, also have a project that y'all involved in and the team needs help with marketing, they might, you know, some things to improve the project, I got some ideas for them. Had a team tap in with me, you know what I'm saying? If you're involved in a project and it's not doing too well, have them hit up the GOAT, man. And, you know, I can give them some insight on how to improve the project. I don't like to just shield projects and say, yeah, all is good. I like to tell y'all what y'all should be looking for so y'all can break this down yourselves and determine, you know, is this a good investment for y'all? So, you know, the goal of this channel is to help y'all become better informed investors, and that's what we're doing right here. So, a 2% will go towards the marketing wallet to help pay for exchanges, promotions, and influencers. Every transaction going towards this wallet will be automatically converted to BNB, so there will not be any issue with us selling and lowering the price. So this token redistributed also gets sent to the burn address, which started with over 50% of the token supply, creating deflationary aspect to the token and raising the price floor every buy and sell. So Poseidon portfolio. We are developing a DApp website that simply tracks the portfolio of someone's Ethereum and BSC wallet. This gives people a simple and user-friendly beam down of what your DeFi wallet assets are doing. Okay, so now that's more clear. I like that. I like to see that, you know, that it's you know, it's showed a little bit, or they broke it down a little bit so that way we can understand it. So that is interesting because, you know, you could potentially track other wallets as well and see, you know, a lot of different information with that. This can be useful. So we have a portfolio tracker in development holding 50 worth of Poseidon will gain you access to premium features like percentage profit and loss analytics, multinational currency conversion, removal of banner ads. So this is very, very interesting. That profit and loss analytics, you know, I'm all about analytics. The #1 crypto coin, meme coin analyst on YouTube. And nobody else is bringing it like this to y'all. And even if somebody did know this knowledge, I'm the one that's updating y'all the most, play by play, minute by minute. Let's check out what Shiba Inu is doing again real quick. Let's see what we're getting. So it's looking like we see some resistance right here. We got this hammer or this hanging man forming. This hanging man candle is forming here, signifying that a trend is likely to reverse. You notice the volume is tapering off. The red candle is coming in volume, meaning more people are selling than buying during this time frame. So that's a bearish signal. Combined with everything that we're seeing, resistance at this point, we need a lot of volume to break through this point. So it might drop down. We might drop down to our next previous resistance level. So that could be around that 26 range, and it also could be right at that, because we have a lot of wicking. The wicks can interrupt those support and resistances, so you want to be careful and kind of, you know, really get an idea where the most areas are, you know, where you see the wicks coming together the most across that support and resistance level, or the real bodies, whichever one you see, you know, being more basically confident, then that's the basically the one, you know, that to go with. So let's see right now, let's say for instance, if we use this as our previous resistance line, what can we determine? We got more wicks touching this area right here. So that's what I'm trying to get y'all to see. We got 2 wicks on this side touching this area. We also got our doji candle wick down here touching this area as well. And it also falls right along that 38.2% range on our Fibonacci retracement. So I expect us to pull back to this 2487 range. Wait, let me get it right on there, because I like to be as accurate as possible. Y'all told me y'all want the numbers, so I'm gonna give y'all the numbers, man. I'm really sticking my neck out here doing this, because as soon as, you know, I'm wrong one time out of, I could be right 100 times. That one time, you know, we get a major news catalyst and it shifts the entire market. Well, we told you, you know. And a lot, I'm really seeing, y'all don't even realize, I'm being told that I don't even gotta, you know, do all this. You know, I can just, you know, read updates. But really, I like to do this. I like to, you know, provide a little more value. A lot of people saying this, you know, it's too much, or, you know, just read the news that's coming out. But this is what's different about this channel. I try to get y'all some analysis. So look out for this 2461 range, 24, you know, right in there, right in that range, 2487. I'll say that 24 range, you know, because y'all be trying to be a little super accurate. But expect to pull back to around that 24 range. Unless we see some more volume in here, unless we see some new news happening or something like that. But that's all we got for this video. If you want to support, you know, you want to cop your Shiba Inu merch, we have the best Shiba Inu merch in the game, man. Salute to everybody that just came and balled out. I'm talking about literally somebody just came in here and literally grabbed everything. And I'm talking about, I think he literally got them for the entire family. This guy must be a Shiba Inu whale. He has to be. I ain't gonna disclose everything, but this guy has to be a Shiba Inu whale. So if y'all want to check out this merch, come tap in with me. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. Same way the channel is spelled. Twitter, Instagram. I will be doing exclusive live streams on Instagram only, and exclusive giveaways on Instagram. So go tap in with me, man. Appreciate y'all again. Share this video with everybody, and that's all we got. We are out. Psych. Who just got out already? Let me know if y'all made it to this part of the video, because we got an update. We doing a live stream after this. We doing some more updates, some fundamental analysis. We doing a giveaway today on a live stream. So make sure y'all tune in. And now for real this time, we are out.